I have yet to try. Currently testing out Ramley's Nano. Magayon. Okay, may yarbar na naman tayo in the future. Got some dresses from RR. So first off is this blue dress with some details at the bottom. Very cutie. Very nice. And then it's only 750,000 VND. Another blue dress. So this one is also very pretty. And you can actually separate this one. So it will be like parang top lang, and then you can make it as a dress as well. So very nice. It's another dress, but a little bit unique. Here you go. Yung straight cut, but when you wear it, it's very social looking. It's like parang very tita vibes. And then you'll put this flower over here, and then ayan, and then you could just like put your hair like this, and then very, very nice. Very Chanel vibe too. Na make-upan. OMG. Na make-upan siya. Look how pretty this dress is. It's so nice. Like, girls. And guess how much it is? 850 to 950. So it's not even 100 AUDs. We are here in the car waiting for Ramley to finish his shoot. A few steps from here. So 2 hours food shoot, and then we'll be going somewhere to have some snacks or like lakad-lakad. But anyway, I brought my iPad just to make myself busy, and I've put a lot of stickers there from Temu. As you can see, it's off-white na. I've been using this for a couple years now. Oras pa, and then yes, I don't know what's gonna happen to me for the next few days. Hustle tayo for our next travel! And I am just so happy that I am filming vlog using this DJI Osmo Pocket, like from my sister. Love. And Ramley also bought yung Nano. That's it for me. I'll see you in a bit. Baga!
Double patty baga.
Amazing.
Gotta be.
What mali? Kinanak. Park. We will do some unboxing. I have some stuffs here that I bought from W Cosmetics, and also my sister sent me 3 tops and 1 bag charm. Now we're gonna start off with the Macaroons Foundation Blush. This brush is really dense, so it's really nice to use sa foundation, sa tint, or kaya yung parang mga illuminator. This. Also, Dear Irene hand cream. This is $9. It's a Chinese brand. It's a firming anti-wrinkle essence hand cream. Ilang mils. This was actually like big enough na maglalast siya for a couple months, I think. And the packaging is so pretty. Pati yung sa lid niya, meron ding Dear Irene. Well made yung ano niya. Yung kanyang packaging. So long. Love that. Smells so good. This Sika Mild Toner Pad. So normally with skincare, I have to like find it on TikTok first. So whatever is viral, whatever has a good review, that's when I buy. So let's try this one for tonight. And the last one from W Cosmetics is this K-pop Dolly Lash. Okay, I also bought one of these before, pero yung maliit lang. Well, this one is pang anime eyelash. We'll try this one maybe by next week. Hihira tayo mag-tube, but this one has a very good texture. Very nice. Parang hindi siya yung makate na fabric. It's spring here, so I feel like this is actually very nice for me to wear this spring. Parang nilalagay siya dito. Like, diba? Parang pang-Gen-Z lang. Like girly moments, then this should be very nice. Tinry ko na din siyang isuot, but it's really complicated. I'm not really sure. We will check sa website kung paano nila ito gagamitin. The last one is itong bag charm from Loewe. Parang, diba? Yung parang saud. Parang kang masaud. Love this! So cute. They are of different shade of green. For some reason, it's just very cute for me. Ayan. Ayan, we've done some grocery as well. And now it's cooking time.
So papunta kami ngayon guys dun sa paborito namin kainan. Vietnamese restaurant guys. Broken Rye.
Ooh, that's a fun one.
Bangan Tua. Basta. Tingnan nyo na lang mamaya.
Okay. Mine is broken rice because very hungry. Oh, this broken rice with shredded pork.
Broken Rye.
Alrighty guys, it's been a couple of weeks since we got from Vietnam, and yet here we are in a Vietnamese restaurant around Footscray, so why not, isn't it? Why? Ooh, oh wow, thank you.
Kaman talaga. Sunod mo yun.
We have this broken rice in grilled pork. Same thing with ramly. And this soup, anong soup nga nini? Braised pork, yeah? Braised beef. Ooh, love.
Iba siyang ano.
Ayan, rabot. Love it. Okay, let's dig in. Sana man di malula. Ahi, madaming mga naman. Much of it. discover mo na? First Christmas ever! Sweetie, cashmere, cute one! I actually like this number 7. Kasha to sa my television. Ano ni Alpine Forest? 49 bucks. Yung swing on. Cute! OMG, I remember sa work we used to wear these ones kapag ka-Christmas. Oh, so cute! I miss Jet Meds. Or not. Christmas in the air. Cute one. The Grinch. City, liwan yung Grinch. You're my
City,
boy.
alam ko dito sa nakulang, Regis ka to ka niyo.
Or ini Grinch. This Grinch, so cute. Cute. So I'm currently shopping for some refills sa aking skincare kanina. Yung Christmas tree sa Pinterest. Okay. Tapos, mag-aaral ka naman na kaya. Nintendo. Yeah. We'll test you out outdoor. Few days now. Gilingon tadaw. I have yet to try. Pero ito, nagamit na natin to. Very nice. But this one, sabi ng TikTok, very good for like oily skin. And for the eye bags, of course, Maybelline. Okay, let's unbox. 30-day miracle. Hala. 30 Days Miracle Brightening Toner. PDR and Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Ooh. Love. And I had to refill one of the toners from Centella. Pero this one's different. My previous one was the Ampoule one, but this one I want to give it a try. Because my skin is aging. Pormizing Fresh Ampoule. This viral Maybelline Eraser. Color correcting. Shabu shabu for tonight!
Machetes are banned in Victoria. Dispose of machetes by the 30th of November, or you could face a penalty guys, welcome to Hot Pot. Hot Pot with Sweetie. Sweetie's Hot Pot. Ini luto na.